So I've installed one of those 8.inch Android head units on a 2011 Q5. It's the same on all B8, A4, A5, and Q5s 09 through 2016. And unfortunately, the new trim plate does not have a passenger's airbag disabled LED on it like this original one did. You can buy an extra harness to go in line between the original one and the new trim plate, but I forgot to do that, so I have this code. Passenger's airbag disabled indicator lamp open or short to ground. And that's because the airbag controller is looking for the LED signal back from the original trim plate that was here. I'm going to clear codes here, and as you see, no more fault code. And this is because I've installed a resistor here between pin 3 and pin 5. Again, on the factory trim plate, the hazard 4-way button had this LED on it, which again, it's missing from the new trim plate. And so again, the fix is either by the harness or a 2.3K resistor between pins 3 and pins 5. I have a 2.2K resistor here because it's all I had handy, but it works just as well. Pin 3 is voltage in, and then pin 5 is a signal back to the airbag controller. So I have actually a little note here that I made. The pins 3 and 5, pin 3 is black with white, pin 5 is white with violet. Again, 2.37K is the actual value. I have a 2.2K resistor there, it works fine. I'm going to button this all up, and module isn't complaining anymore. So yeah, this is what we need to do, or could have ordered the correct harness to begin with, but I don't have time for that, or don't have time to wait for another one. As a result, there's also a fault code in the parking brake controller that's looking back at the airbag controller, and that'll clear just fine right now. And yeah, that's basically it. Hope this helps somebody. I'm going to clean up this wiring. I didn't want to just bastardize the harness and then find out that this didn't work, but now that we've confirmed it, I'm just going to clean it all up and go from there. I did measure the resistance across the LED on the original button here. I had it all apart, actually. I haven't even put it back together, but I did confirm the resistance before I just went and picked a resistor to throw in here. So yeah, thanks.